First is your Zoom version. To ensure that you have the latest Zoom version, sign into Zoom, select your profile image and click check for updates. Then you will be prompted to update your version. If you are up to date, there will be no install options. The second is your lighting. The best lighting is a nice, soft, diffused, natural light from a window in front of you. Any light from the top, side, back or bottom will cast a lot of shadows. You can brighten up your light with a white light in front of you. The next is your camera angle. To get a great angle, set your monitor or laptop high enough so that the camera is slightly above your eye level, so that you look up straight into the camera. Do not seat too close to your monitor. Place your camera on a stable device that it does not move around, and try to look into the lens when speaking and not on the other panelists or anchors. Fourth, I will be talking about your background. We will need you to keep the distraction at a minimum, so you should keep your background neat and tidy. To enable the virtual background feature, sign into Zoom web portal. In the navigation menu, click Settings. In the Meeting tab, navigate to the Virtual Background option under the Meeting Advanced section and verify that the setting is enabled. If the setting is disabled, click the status toggle to enable it. If a verification dialog displays, choose Turn On to verify the change. Lastly, remember to join the Zoom meeting by clicking on the email invitation. You will be prompted to download or launch Zoom. Select whether you want to join with or without your audio and video on. Select Join and you are in. Thank you so much for your time.